Okay, so this was by far my strongest hive going into the winter and coming out of the winter. There were bees all across all 10 frames of this hive. What are you doing so far away from there? Come a little closer, I won't sting you. Okay, yeah, that's better. Might fall, you're a little crooked, but what the heck, I don't hear you complaining. So, just gonna keep an eye on the bees underneath here. I think my GoPro has packed it in, so. Wow, good number of bees, good looking bees. Oh, you know what? I forgot to take the mouse guard off. Give me a second, will you? Okay, I'm gonna give these guys some smoke. This was my hive that was a nasty one last year. Didn't start off that way, but it became that way. GoPros are great unless you actually need to count on them. They can be very inconsistent, unfortunately. Okay, let's see what this hive is going to give me. This hive is locked down pretty good. Now this hive will definitely get a mite treatment. I plan to take a frame of eggs off of this hive and give it to my weak hive. And this hive will need to be, wow, look at that, holy moly, that's a lot of bees. I gotta look for, oh, there's the queen right there on the top. There she is. Okay, I'm gonna try and trap her. I'm gonna try and catch her and mark her. Where are you, Queenie? Second time I've spotted the queen on the inner lid. Where are you, baby? Come on. You can't hide from Uncle Frank. There you are. Okay, there she is. She's in, and now she's out. There, got her. See, I've trapped her in there. Now I'm just going to let her walk up a little bit and get the plug in. There we go. Push her up against the top. Get her the right orientation. Just apply a little bit of pressure to kind of squish her up against the flexible top there. But you have to have her thorax in the right position. That's pretty good. I'm going to go with that. Hold there, Queenie. Just need to be careful not to touch her eyes. There you go. That's all she's going to get right there. Good. Now, let's let that dry. All right. So we've got a marked queen now. Look at that. Okay. Where am I going to set her down? I'm going to set her down right over here. Just stay there, queen. Okay, there's a lot of bees here, which I am going to have to move. Got to get rid of all this burr comb. This hive is pumping. Look at it. A lot of bees. Okay. I will pick up this burr comb before I go home. Never good to leave stuff laying around that might attract critters. Second time that I have found the queen on the ladder. Always look for her. Always anticipate she's going to be where she's not supposed to be. You don't read the rules. So I've got lots of videos out on mite treatments. You know what? I'm going to put the queen in first so that she can get in to her nice happy spot in the hive. So all I'm going to do is pull the plunger out and hope that she finds her way down. Looks like another bee got in there. Huh. A worker bee came in through the space in the mesh. There she is, down there. Come on, go, go, queen, go. There she is. There she goes. Right down there. Okay, good job. One queen marked and released. Boy, that is fun and nerve-wracking. Never done that before. Okay. Just gonna take some of the bird comb off the top here. That's why I'm throwing so much smoke on there.